Is it good? Oh my god, it's so good.
I really had man shepherd's pie this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really, really good. I'm excited. I can't wait to eat it.
Did you brush your teeth? Yeah. Okay. Why are you closing the door? So guys, this is Roger's bathroom. We're going to the sink. I'm going to clean up that. But that's Roger's bathroom, guys. Look. Oh, hold on. Yeah. So this is how his bathroom looks after the finished product. I don't think, babe, I've given you guys an update, so I'm gonna update on the bathroom. Boss have his own bathroom for himself, you know. You know, him never take showers, so I bath him take right through. So this is basically his bathroom, guys. It's my job to get him to school. I don't like how that can.
Guys, this is my juice there.
That's here. What kind of juice is that?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. So guys, it's my morning to get him to school cause baby's at work. So this is how she did, man. She did perfect. And if you know,
guys,
Roger wipe him.
Roger going to school. I can't say we're school today.
You're going to school today, yeah. So Daddy's gonna get you ready for school. I'm just giving them an update on the bathroom, Raj.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's his cup he used to wash his mouth. Yeah, but it's my morning to get him to school. So I'm just gonna get his lunch pack and stuff and finish dressing him. And then, you know, the rest is history. So I already make his bed. So this is the final setup of his room. You just turn his TV off.
Okay, guys, since you make his bed, I can say since you make your bed today is school.
Daddy make your bed, not Sissy. So, yes, guys. You want to show them a toy box? That's your toy box?
Yeah.
So, guys, yes, that is his toy box. This is his Casey bear. He slept with this. I should say, man, I'm really proud of him because Roger doesn't have a problem to sleep in his room.
This is my mouth and hat.
And what else you want to show them? Your remote and your hat and what else?
And your jacket.
And that's your jacket? I'm really proud of him, man. You have to allow them to express themselves, so, yeah.
Okay, guys, so this my truck and airplane and truck and train and a car and a race car.
New race car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can get my airplane with you.
You want to bring it to school today?
Yeah, I want to show my teacher where in my airplane.
Okay. Go for the brush in the jar. So your daddy can brush your hair. So this is the brush I'm going to use for your hair. Let's brush your hair. Guys, I try not to brush it hard because I know the bristles might hurt him. So I try to stay as calm as possible and brush it. You know? We have no time to waste, Raj, because it's school morning, okay?
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
You know you cannot bring it to school. You can't bring the airplane to school, right? You bring it on show and tell day on Thursdays. So you can bring the airplane on shore until day on Thursday, okay? Yeah. Hold the back, hold it. Hold on on the back for me. Yeah. Hold on on it tight. You can see why you need. So everything is in his bag, guys. His lunch, his wraps. Well, I'm gonna eat them something here, but I them something there right there, like the beer paw.
Cookies.
And your cookies. And your Ritz bits.
Sandwich.
Yeah. So you got everything. Let me check in the fridge first to see if mommy put anything else in it for you, okay? I don't think there's anything else for him, so yeah. And babe upgrade his bottle. She said that the other one is too small, so she upgrade his water bottle. So enough intake in his water is good. Okay, so we are ready, Papa? Okay, let's go, Daddy. I love you. Can you help Daddy to close this bag? Help Daddy to close it, please. Daddy holding the camera. Of course. See, this is it right here. Thank you, Raj. Daddy will bring it for you, okay? Yeah. You need to get a little taller. Guys, this boy love keys, man. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Daddy. This already soon come back. Yeah, but you gotta close the door first. Close the door. Yeah. Yes, that way, yes. We're running late, Raj. So you gotta be a little bit more hasty. Yes, good boy. That's the right way, yes? Let's help you, because you're not strong enough yet. Good boy, it's close. Come. Let's go. Yes, the middle one for open, okay? Alright. Let's go, puppy. What do you know that he always asks of you to do at school? What do you think that he want for you to do today at school? Remember what Daddy said? No shoving off the kids, and what else? Be the best version of yourself and try to enjoy the day, okay? Try to have fun. Yes, guys, so this is the weather today. Beautiful weather, nice. Yeah. And as you guys see, I'm never really given an update on this, but I'm upgrade the beast. So I have 2 beasts now, one need to sell. So that is it, upgrade the beast to a bigger beast, you know. Now don't, yeah. Pull it again, press it again. Nice. Come, let's go. Put on your seatbelt. Thank you, Papa. Morning. Put on your seatbelt, Daddy. Nice. Hold it and click it. Hold it and click it. Good boy. Did you click it? Not yet? Good boy. High five, Daddy. Love you. Okay. It's recording. Hold it. Tell them you're going to school. It's recording. You gotta talk up in the camera. Don't press anything because it's recording. So tell them what you want to tell them. Tell them what's on your mind.
I can't
You gotta talk up louder now.
this we got Roger, Mom, and Daddy, and Grandma.
Okay. What do you love about your room?
And I was in my room today. Cause Mommy at work.
Okay, mommy's at work. What do you love about what TV show do you like to watch the most?
I says to see my TV. And Daddy gets a new TV. And Mommy gets a new TV.
Okay. So, Billy, tell them about your TV show.
Yeah.
Tell them about your TV show. Which TV show are you watching just now?
And the TV show that was Peppa Pig.
Oh, you were watching Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
You like Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell them bye-bye. We can say bye, guys, because I'm at school now.
Bye, guys. At school now.
Okay.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, guys, you hear it. Are you closing it? Did you close it? Check to see if it closed. Check to see if it closed. Check the door. You gotta check the door to see if it closed, okay? Good boy, you closed it. Come on, let's go.
I have to get a few things. I picked him up from school. He said, Mommy, I want to lay down. Are you tired? He wants to take his shoes off. Oh, Lord. So I just worked from 7 to 1. And now I'm just going to get a few things. Because Akeem said he's going to cook tonight. So I'm just thankful that we're both off together. Yeah. This is a good deal, $2.47. I'm gonna get some of these. One thing about us, we love our barbecue sauce. I want an umbrella. So the way I get them to not run around the store is I tell them you have to hold on to the cart. So don't push it that way, don't, Papa. Go this way. So we asked for an umbrella, and he's helping Mommy with the cart. I usually don't like taking him into the store because he's not the most cooperative, but he's getting older and he's getting a bit better now. He's listening better. Okay, look where you're going, honey. Watch where you're going. It's a beautiful day in Campbell River today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day.
The way she moved to her own beat, she have the quality of a queen.
What do you mean I am a queen?
Queen. What a natural beauty. No need no makeup to be a cutie. So babe,
Yes.
what that song they remind you of?
Our wedding.
Guys, let me tell you something. So when I get married, my wife give me the opportunity to pick the date. She want to pick the song, but she did everything else. She buy me clothes. Me never have to do nothing at all. So you see the moment me see that, I say you know the lady here, the woman here is very, very reliable. You understand what I mean? So I can't leave anything up to my wife. Don't let she know she like nothing still, you know. Cause you see, if she ever knows she like something, best believe it. So when grocery shopping come, you get 1,000 of them something there. And she not understand say when you eat one or two, you're tired of it. She not really understand that, you know.
Like what?
she's gonna ensure that you have a million of the same thing in the house if she ever don't say like one something. You understand? So, guys, babe, bring Roger from school. So, you know, they are going to run a little pot, guys. You understand? I don't feel for nothing strong today or nothing. I just feel for some nice comfort food. So, I'm going to do some shepherd's pie my way. Not the Canadian way, not your way, but my way. So stay tuned for that. You understand?
Okay, so when I was in Walmart, I took a video because something was on sale. So I got 3 barbecue sauces. So it's funny that he said, because I know he likes that type
No,
of
I mean like food. So for instance, guys, I take a sip of the ginger ale or the ginger ale, whatever you guys call it, and I like it. So my wife knows I like it. You know what she do? She went and she get maybe 100 of them and bring them in car. Her husband like this. So never guess what. Because she doesn't like, here in Canada I struggle with food. I don't know what to eat or, you understand? I don't know where to go with food if I don't me I cook my own food. So like, where that is concerned, I kind of struggle with food, honestly. So if she have the slightest of idea that I like something, best believe it, there's a lot coming in when the other grocery order or you should go out for buy. So that's what I meant, you know? Yeah, but stay tuned for it, guys. So you know me in preparation, I go straight. So see that prep up already. You understand? Everything kind of done. The ground beef. So I have ground beef. But I'm not going to use no gravy sauce or whatsoever. What I'm going to use is this. You understand? I'm going to use some pasta sauce and make my, let's make my thing. So everything is here already ready. So you guys stay tuned for it.
So babe, have you ever made it this way before?
Like with tomato sauce?
With spaghetti sauce?
Yeah. Like when I cook a work, this is the way me make it. I like it that way. I don't like it with the gravy.
Oh.
Hence the reason why I say that.
Even if you did it like brown stewed chicken kind of way? Did you ever try to do it that way?
No, but it would be good.
Or like do it like oxtail way. That's...
Did you buy oxtail?
No, but do hamburger meat the same way you would make oxtail, like the same flavor. You know what I mean? You might like
every meat serves the same, but every meat has its different kind of flavor. So yeah. I understand where you're coming from though.
You do understand, okay.
Yeah. Every meat possesses its own flavor. So.
But I'm excited to try this.
Yeah.
I'm not really a tomato...
No, it's not a tongue.
No?
Oh,
okay.
No, that's right. So guys,
I'm excited.
You think it's gonna be tongue, but there's no way I'm gonna make it as a tongue. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
No. Never ensure it nice, baby.
Ooh, I am so excited to see. I love learning new things and new ways of doing things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know, the first time I make this, you know, you never really know how to make it. Since we come to Canada, I know about shepherd's pie. You understand? But I never really know. And me just make it my way, the tomato sauce way, and it works. Like the clients love it and everybody love it. So, you know, this may stick to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I believe anything you cook is going to be good. I told Sharon, I said, I'm going to the store to pick up some spaghetti sauce because Babe's making shepherd's pie. And she's like, spaghetti sauce? I'm like, Sharon, I don't know, but everything my husband cooks is good, so I can't wait to try it. I said, I'm with you. I've never seen it or heard it before, but if it's a Keen cooking it, it's going to be good.
Yeah.
When she watches this, she's going to laugh because I did say that.
Yeah, when I saw we go to work, man, believe me, baby, see you with stuff.
Yeah.
Understand? And guys, I just don't feel for nothing else. From maybe about 3 weeks ago, the shepherd's pie called my name, so I eat me want to eat.
Yeah,
I don't want nothing else.
You did mention a couple weeks ago you were going to do a vlog on this, so we're getting it done. Yep, we're working full force now, guys, so the videos ain't coming in as quite frequently as they used to, but we're going to keep doing them, right, babe?
Yeah, there's no giving up.
No, we're not giving up.
Yeah, remember I'm telling you, lots of surprises are forward. So
Oh yeah, we got
yeah,
lots of stuff
you
coming.
guys have a lot to see, so just believe me, I'm telling you. So just stay
Yeah.
tuned, you understand?
Yeah.
Some of the time we have to slow down and then we'll pick up at the pace again and you understand, but best believe what I'm telling you, so we're not leaving you guys. Ain't nowhere we're doing that. Nope.
Yeah. Our next surprise is going to be Babe's birthday. That's coming up like in a couple of days, so stay tuned for that one. See what I got planned and what's in
National
store.
birthday. You know, guys, I don't know what she have going with, but I don't know nothing. I don't hear nothing. Ask her what she do. She not tell me the plan. She tell me, just leave it alone. You like the dishes like that. So, I leave her and she do a shadow. Shadow. You understand?
Yeah. He's like, why do you always like surprises? Well, I'm sorry, but I like surprises. It makes the day more special, babe. It's your day, and if you already know everything, then you know what I mean? It just takes away the excitement of the day.
Because me surprised.
Huh?
Was it because me surprised on your birthday?
Yeah, you did surprise me on my
I don't like
birthday.
the surprise thing, you know, so I will kind of
Wow.
stop the surprise business. I don't mind thing, you know?
Okay, my arm's getting sore. I'm going to flip it around. Okay, much better. My hands are free now. Selfie stick for the win. And guys, we got our, what do you call it? Microphones, but we just haven't hooked them up yet.
Yeah, they're here a long
I know,
time,
they've been
man.
here a while. We gotta get them, we gotta figure them out. Oh, I just haven't had a chance. It's crazy. Anyway,
I just think you just need to
I just need to sit down and figure it out.
connect it to the Bluetooth. That's
Oh,
it.
and that's it. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we'll probably need to charge them though, so.
Okay.
But I think next 2 weeks from now, road trip or bag or something, cause I'm going on vacation, so we have to do something while
Yeah.
I'm on vacation. So
Yeah.
yeah, we think I have to use them by then.
Yeah.
But for now, I mean, we're just in the house, so yeah, the microphone.
Hopefully I'll have 3 or 4 days off somewhere and we can do something.
You telling me going back to work?
Yes, I did tell everybody I'm back to work. I'm still gradual. Next week 4 days, the week after that 4 days, and then back. So around, what is it, June? Let me see. June 20th, I think, is my last day of. So starting the week of the 21st, I will be back full time. Yeah. Just when Rogero's school is getting over with, so. His school ends June 24th, so. I know. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting. It's really, really hot in here. I should turn the air conditioning on, eh?
You should.
It's hot, guys. So this is our air conditioner here. This is an air purifier. This is our air conditioner. Turn that on. It's a beautiful hot day out today. And the sun is facing this way in the evening, so it gets so hot. Oh my God.
Oh, what is out this one? I'm not sure there's another one. So guys, as you can see, it's not like more don't want to use the barbecue. The barbecue is here, active. But you see that something at the sun?
It's hot, man.
It's really, yeah, it's terrible. You understand what I mean? So I like to be more comfortable when I'm vlogging.
Yeah.
But I have to do some outside vlog. I cannot cannot let the summer pass and I don't give you guys some outside vlogging. You understand what I mean? So see it here. Next year is gonna be better for sure though when it comes on to vlogging. You understand? So you guys stay tuned. Next year for sure, backyard settings, bag of something. yeah, God is good. So stay tuned for that. But it's mainly because the sun's so hot on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it kind of make me iffy. But maybe after, and I can't even put it too close to the.
Because it'll melt.
Yes, it will melt with something. So
You
we have to just be careful.
we
That
would
if
we would
something-
have to barbecue in the morning.
Exactly. Yeah. So kind of different. But the sun on this side is terrible. So
Yeah, we tried it, but not working. So hopefully next time we can plan it better. We'll see. Or have trees around to block it or something. Yep. So the potatoes are boiling. You just put salt in the water?
you know what?
In the
Yeah, just salt.
Yeah. And so far you've got carrot, green pepper, onion, and hamburger meat, right?
Yeah, man. So guys, these pepper are crazy. You remember when I bought these pepper? These pepper are really crazy. They're hot. So I'm just probably gonna use one because
Okay.
they're really hot.
Did you put any seasoning in here yet or no?
What do you mean seasoning? Like
Like,
powder seasoning?
yeah.
Not yet.
No. Okay.
You're watching out for it, baby.
So some Maggie.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. We're gonna have some spices. Shepherd's pie.
Oh, spicy baby. I wear it.
You know.
I can't feel
I'm scared of cayenne pepper. I don't know. I'm scared of it. I'm scared.
You're not scared. I put some on my plate. I know this style.
Listen, if Babe's cooking it, it's gonna have flavor, let me tell ya.
What did you tell your friend? What did you tell
Sharon?
Sharon?
Cause she was like, spaghetti sauce. I'm like, I know, I never heard of it, but I said, if my baby's cooking it, no doubt it's gonna be good. So,
Always thought the thing, baby.
I mean, I know if Akeem Edwards is cooking, it's gonna be good. I've never tasted nothing you cooked yet that wasn't good.
Oh yeah.
So, nope. Nothing.
Ew. So this way use.
Spaghetti sauce. Oh, let's show them our new knives and our new cutting boards. So, look, we got a new knife set, guys.
It's beautiful.
And we got a new can opener, because this man was complaining about the other one. And we got new color-coded. And look at this, guys. It has things on the bottom, so you don't have to... Whoops, oh my gosh. So you don't have to put... What did you use to put? Cloth.
Yeah. Yeah, big up my wife for that.
Yeah.
She deserve a trophy, a medal. She always go above and beyond to make the thing, you know? The thing active. So you see, we not just do it for ourselves, guys, we do it for honor to
Yeah.
make the thing, you know? Yeah. We are investing in the thing, you know? A cooking we do, right? Yeah, man. So we are cook.
Yeah.
But we are also upgrade the
Yep, and look,
our equipment and
I
stuff.
also spray painted this, and I made that silver to match everything. So I just bought some black spray paint, and I covered that with tape, and then I used a silver marker to do that. Yeah. I'm very I don't know what you would call me. Resourceful, maybe. I don't know, something like that. Wow. Yummy, yummy.
Down your tummy.
Ketchup, sweet chili Thai. I'm watching.
Yummy, Dummy down, my baby dummy.
I might not ever make it the other way again. It might be all this way from now on.
Hey, listen, if the cooking is an art here, you not always have to buy a recipe. It doesn't always have to be like that. You do it your way or you like it. And
Brown
personally,
sugar.
you just don't like the Canadian gravy way. You can't beat me for that. You understand? You have to just
Yeah.
allow me to do it my way. It's my way of things.
I'm just wondering though, like if we used, I don't know, I just think the gravy way wasn't done properly. If it was done with thyme and maybe jerk seasoning and da 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 dee dee dee, it might work. Green onion and
Yeah. Think it could work.
I don't know, but I'm excited to try this way.
You only have a turn on this now.
The oven?
Yeah, my sauce basically done this around 3 weeks.
How's Papa doing? Yeah? Mommy's gonna use it for a bit, okay? Alright. Daddy's cooking supper, okay? Are you hungry? Yeah, Daddy's cooking supper, okay? You're gonna love it, I know it. Dumpling? No, no dumpling today, my love. We're gonna have shepherd's pie. So it's gonna be potato and hamburger meat and with carrot and stuff like that, okay? I think you'll like it. Okay. We'll be back. He's loving his room, y'all. He has not gotten out of his bed. He sleeps through the night and do not get out of his
You're a
bed.
champion, man. Surprise me. God,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
Queen with a champion.
Yeah.
Champion at heart, you know? But it surprises me, but it doesn't really surprise me because I'm father of a dog heart. You understand what I mean? So, to be very, him come with a cat heart. Him have to have a dog heart. You understand? So, yeah, man.
Some garlic.
Just in case you don't know why I put the garlic in it, are you confused? The garlic thing for cut rawns. You understand?
I always
You
put
don't know what
garlic
them do
and
with the
stuff.
processed meat too. So, me just want my flavors to be coming together nice. I don't want to taste no rawness and yeah, so this is my flavor. So now me I wait for 48 to them. So I wonder what really the method to my madness, you know. So I'm going to show her. I'm going to show her what the method to my madness. You understand? The method to my madness, you just taste this. Understand? Juicy. You cool it? Good? Yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
really good. And it's the right amount of spiciness. It's not like, it's got like a good spice to it, not overly spicy. Really, really good. Yeah, that's gonna be good with potato. And you said you don't use corn, right?
I could add corn in it, but I just don't want a corn in it.
Yeah, but that's normal how you make it, but he's making different. So you just put that and potato and cheese, right? Ooh, it's gonna be so good. And you know what we're gonna do after this, guys? We're gonna watch the basketball game. Cause it's the playoffs and it's what Spurs and
I mean, Spurs beat my team, which is the Timberwolves, but I'm rooting for Spurs. I don't like OKC, so.
yeah. So we're gonna watch some basketball and yeah,
You know what?
chillax together because
And
we're
my
not
wife
working.
is watching basketball. She doesn't really watch it though. She just want to be around me. So
I used
Get
to
you-
watch it all the
get
time.
yourself a supportive wife that's gonna. Yeah, even though she's not watching it but on her phone, she's there with you. Yeah.
I do watch it.
Just for emotional support if I'm losing my mind in the match. Yeah, she's there.
I do like basketball. I like basketball better than soccer because I find it more exciting. Soccer is just like sometimes a whole hour, like 24 people running around chasing this little ball and nothing ever goes in the net.
She will never understand.
Oh, it drives me nuts. But at least with basketball, you know, they're getting hoops, they're missing. It's just more exciting to me. There's like there's more going on, not like an hour of.
You'll never understand, but I forgive you in advance.
I still watch it with him. It's just I don't find it as exciting as basketball. That's all. Just my preference. You know, people like hockey. I don't like hockey. I mean,
I don't even know hockey. I don't know like the first. I don't know the rules of the game. And personally, for me, if I'm watching a game, I got to read up on the rules. If I love a game, I have to know the rules of the game. So I don't mess with the hockey. I mean, hockey is Canadian thing.
yeah.
But because I don't know the rules of the game, so I don't even mess with it.
And I don't watch basketball. We don't watch anything. You know what I do like though is the Olympics. I love watching like the, I don't know, about the gymnastics part and some of the different events and stuff. But that's about it. That and basketball. And now I watch soccer with Babe. But other than that, that is it. So it must be almost ready, eh? It's getting together here. So we're just gonna put it together with some cheese. Because my mouth is watering. We had homemade pizza at work today. It was so good.
Yeah,
So yummy.
bread.
Pardon?
On pita bread.
On pita bread, yeah. It was, no, actually it wasn't pita bread. It was a thin crust pizza. They got it from Save on Food. So I gotta go look for it because I think Rogero would really like it. Yeah, no, I thought it was pitas, but it wasn't. It was like a thin pizza crust. Yep. So my mouth is watering. Stay tuned for the finished product. All right.
Potato ready, you know?
Butter
Butter.
or margarine?
Not butter.
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 Butter. Margarine to be exact.
Butter.
Cream.
Guys, remember when you're doing this, the Irish them have to be too they can't be too, you know, like you make a sweet the potato and it's smooth, it can't be too smooth, you understand? But they have a texture to it as it can bake. As if it's too smooth, then you know you get the hardness there and if you cut in on it. And even though I think maybe it was a little less potato than I should have, so but we still have to work with it anyways. So
You should have cooked more? Is that
Yeah,
what you're
I
trying to
should
say?
have cooked more.
Oh, I will make it work. Babe, try the new salt and pepper shakers. You press the top button. Press the top button. Yeah, do it. Oh, what? Salt, try. Is that working? Oh, maybe what?
oh, maybe.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, there's batteries in it. What's going on here? Try. Is it not work? Maybe one of the batteries isn't in right.
Yeah, one of them.
Oh, it's missing one. Oh well. I gotta make sure I put that in.
Yeah, that's why I want to know.
Yeah, I gotta put the other one in. I don't know.
Pepper, baby. I'm more about.
Sorry.
Pepper is working. Let's send her out for the twinks.
Okay.
You wanna know how this smell good? Flavors are bursting out in this, man. Flavors are amazing. It's beautiful. It's lovely.
This is Parmesan cheese. Fresh Parmesan. Now potato.
You realize you watch the Pepper Pig every day? I love it.
Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
He started watching it, I know. Because once we got him his own account, it kept coming up. Because he wouldn't watch it before, you know.
The Pepper Pig?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now he watches it all the time. Yep.
You just watch that alone. I've never seen him watch anything else.
Yeah. Guys, he was stuck on Bob the Train and... Oh, I don't know. He
Blippi.
also... Blippi. And yeah, now he's finally watching something different. It's Peppa Pig.
I was watching it with him today, this morning. It's
Oh,
pretty,
yeah?
it's pretty, what's the word I'm looking
Educating or educational?
for? Yeah, and it teaches discipline too, so,
Oh, good.
yeah, like,
I find everything Rogero watches is learning. What do you call it? Educational, yeah. He doesn't watch foolishness.
they
Yeah.
were teaching him, you don't push, like on the Pepper Pig thing this morning.
Oh,
Like, you were
nice.
showing him that, yeah, each person have a turn, you wait your turn.
Oh, good,
yeah,
good.
So, it was pretty brisk with it.
Yeah. He watches another one too. I think it's Masha the Bear or something. It's a little girl and a bear. Started watching that one too.
You know what, babe? I watched a lot of Peppa Pig when I was younger.
Did you?
Yeah, that time cable was around
Oh,
in
okay.
Jamaica. And my mom get the cable and all these new cartoons just coming on. I watch a lot of Peppa Pig.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so Peppa Pig really around a long time to
Long
to
time.
know that my son start watching Peppa Pig now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I used to put it on for him before and he would not watch it. But now he is. Guys, we finally made him his own account on YouTube. So now all of the, and it's a kid's account, right? So all the kids shows come up and yeah. Okay.
It's beautiful. It's
It
amazing.
is. I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness.
It's amazing. It's worth it.
You got your airplane? He's getting so tall, guys. Look at him. He's so tall. Say hi to everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say, hope you're all doing good.
Good.
He's hungry, so. Some parsley.
What's going on with this? What's going on with you, young fella? Big fella, what's going on? Guys, this is just my method to my madness. You guys do it your way and me do it my way. Better show them how me do it, you understand? One thing we learn in our life, you know, everybody have them perception. I understand, and me have mine today. This me feel for a long time, so as you can see my face, I'm really excited to put this in the oven. Get everything else washed down. This is this chicken. Nice, beautiful.
Here we go.
You never find no one in this lifetime to cook for you, no. So never mind. Nigeria food is ready, my son. Okay. You never find
You might think it's a lasagna,
no one in
but
this
it's not.
lifetime.
Don't
you
touch that,
excited?
baby. Oh, that's hot. That'll
It's very
burn.
hot, Papa.
Burn the finger right
But you
off.
have to make it cool down, okay?
Yeah.
Before we can eat it, okay, Pops? You're gonna love it though.
Can I look it?
You want to say something to everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta just. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I know what to do.
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I just read. Oh, up there we go. I just read the camera.
He's vlogging himself.
This one was good. Wait. That's one of my monster truck.
Okay, that's good. Mommy needs to do it now, okay?
Yeah.
Mommy's turn. Are you gonna be a vlogger when you get older?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, everyone, make sure you follow Rogero Edwards. Don't touch, baby, because it's really hot. Okay, guys.
Ah.
Yeah?
And I pull it. There. Yeah. There. That's better.
That's better.
That I can pull. Okay, Daddy, just one more.
Okay. Are you gonna get Rogero some? I am so excited to try this.
Shepherd's pie. Como eles acham isso?
So guys, we're gonna eat
Come stand up on this.
and we're gonna
Come
go
stand
watch
up on
the
this and
game.
make me, you and Mommy take a picture together.
Okay.
Hold
But
it.
first, before we take the picture, remember guys, like,
Share.
comment, or like, comment, share.
I think you're ready. I play my room. See you guys in my room. I catch the river with us right. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Remember to subscribe, guys, if you haven't. Thank you so much for all our subscribers.
Thank you so much. Subscribe for channel. Bye.
Alright. What Daddy wants you to do?
So God
Okay,
bless
so-
you guys. Hope you have a blessed day, blessed week, and peace. Is it good? What is it? Is it delicious? He just said it's delicious. I just finished mine. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. I could eat the whole pan. It's hard to be skinny when you gotta cook. A good cook for a husband, let me tell you. I just want to get, I'm not gonna get no more, but I really want to get more. It's so good. Thank you, babe. Love you.
It's really really good.
It's so good.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?